Understanding early pregnancy, the fetal pole.
Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about a very common concern during early pregnancy, the absence of a fetal pole at 6 weeks. It's natural to feel a bit anxious when things don't seem to follow the typical timeline, but let's break it down to see when and why you should be concerned.
What is a fetal pole?
First off, let's understand what a fetal pole is. The fetal pole is the first visible sign of a developing embryo, which can usually be seen in an ultrasound scan. This tiny structure later develops into a fetus. Normally, the fetal pole becomes visible between the 5th and the 6th week of gestation, but it can vary from one pregnancy to another.
Should a fetal pole be visible at 6 weeks?
Now, the key question is, should a fetal pole always be visible at 6 weeks? The answer is, not necessarily. The exact timing when the fetal pole becomes visible can depend on a number of factors such as the accuracy of your dating, the type of ultrasound used. Transvaginal ultrasound tends to detect earlier than abdominal, and individual variations in the development timeline. Therefore, not seeing a fetal pole at 6 weeks doesn't always mean there's a problem. In many cases, it might simply be too early to see it, especially if your dating isn't precise.
When should I be worried?
So, when should you be worried about not seeing a fetal pole? Generally, if a fetal pole isn't visible by the 8th or 9th week of gestation, your doctor might express concern and suggest further testing. At this point, it's possible that the pregnancy isn't developing as expected, which could indicate a miscarriage or an ectopic pregnancy. However, only your healthcare provider can determine this based on your specific circumstances. In conclusion, while not seeing a fetal pole at 6 weeks can be worrying, remember that pregnancies can develop at slightly different rates. It's always best to consult with your healthcare provider about any concerns, as they can offer the most accurate information based on your specific situation. Stay positive, patient, and don't hesitate to ask questions. Your understanding and peace of mind are very important during this journey. Thank you for watching, and take care.